Let's see the difference between uninstall and remove. If you get into the screen of abapGit, this is the repository which you are saying will perform remove and uninstall. First we will see remove, then after we'll go with uninstall. Remove what will perform is that just it will remove the repository which you attached in the abapGit. Go to this abapGit repository. It will just remove from this UI and no objects will be removed from your system. Let's copy the token. If you go to this repository, we are going to remove this repository. Select advanced and choose option remove. Here you can see this is will remove the repository reference to your package gmdg underscore abapkit, but all objects will be safely remain in the system. Click on remove. Here you can see gmdg underscore abapkit got totally removed from the abapkit UI, but development objects are of safe which are already present in the system. And as well as if you push these items, it as well as safe in the GitHub repository as well. Here you can see the message reference to the repository gmdg got successfully removed from the package gmdg abapkit. Now let's go with the uninstall, how it's going to perform. This is the abapkit repository I am performing on it. Gmdg underscore abapkit underscore 00. Go to this abapkit repository and choose advanced and on advanced and choose uninstall. What's going to perform is that it will remove all the objects in your SAP logon as well, whatever the development objects content in this package. It's going to remove on the UI as well as it's going to remove all the development objects from your system. See, it's saying but pop-up message this will going to delete all objects in the package, including sub packages as well if you're maintaining in your package. I'm going to delete the packages. Remember this package name as of now. We will see whether the object got deleted or not in our system after performing this delete operation. See here, so in the message like repository gmdg underscore abapkit 0 successfully uninstalled from the package. Now let's navigate to the our SAP logon screen and navigate to the package whether it got removed or not. To AC03. If you see the package, execute. Here you can see there is no more development objects. It's got totally removed from the SAP logon system. This is the process of doing remove and uninstall. Where remove will perform, just will it will remove the what are the things which content added on the abapkit repository. It will just remove from the abapkit UI, but it will not remove any development object from your system. But coming to uninstall, it will remove whatever the abapgit repository you added from the SAP abapgit UI, as well as it will clear all the development objects from the SAP logon system in package which you're maintaining the objects, either it contains the packages or else what are the packages you maintain and you perform uninstall, it will totally delete the items which you maintain in the package. But if you done push before that, before doing of uninstall, it will safely remain in the GitHub repository. This is the two process need to take care of while we are performing any operations on the abapGit repository. Thank you.